Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can copy data from view-only Google Sheets. Okay, let's get into it guys. As you can see here, I have opened view-only document in my Google Sheets, and I'm going to show you how we can copy data from this document. Don't worry guys, because we can still copy data from the view-only document, even though the document is view-only. And you just need to select the data you want to copy, like this. And you're going to right click on the data and click on copy, and then I'm going to open up my new sheets and I'm going to paste it right here. We can right click and then click on paste. Okay, and as you can see guys, that the data has been copied to this document. That's so easy, right? You just need to you just need to select the data and then select copy and paste it to your own Google Sheets. Okay guys, and that's all the way to copy data from view-only document in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!